I saw the sunrise in your smile today, like golden colors washing clouds away. Every little moment feels brand new, since my heart found its way to you. And when the world is moving fast, you're the one that makes it last. Forever in your eyes I find my home, no matter where this.
तेरी बातों में एक नशा सा है, दिल को तेरे पास ले आता है। हर सुबह तेरा नाम लेके जगूं, हर शाम तेरा।
তোমার চোখে হারিয়ে যায় নীল আকাশের মতো, তোমার হাসি ছুঁয়ে গেলে মন হয় অবিরত। নরম হাওয়ায় ভেসে আসে তোমার মিষ্টি ডাক, তুমি এলে রঙিন হয়ে যায় আমার প্রতিটা সকাল। তোমার নামের আলো জ্বলে আমার হৃদয় জুড়ে, তুমি আছো বলে।
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Hunter channel. I'm Syed. Creating music with AI has become easier than ever before. With just a few lines of text, you can now generate complete songs in English, Hindi, Bengali, and many other languages. And when it comes to AI music generation, one of the most popular platforms right now is Suno AI. However, Google has recently introduced its new AI music platform called Google Flow Music. Many people are asking, can Google Flow Music compete with Suno AI? How good is its sound quality? Can it generate high-quality songs in different languages? And most importantly, Google Flow Music or Suno AI, which one is actually better? In today's video, we'll create several songs live and compare both platforms side by side, so make sure you watch this video until the end. Let's get started. First, let's visit the Google Flow Music website. I'll leave the link in the video description. One of the best things about this platform is that it works on both mobile phones and computers. Simply log in using your Google account. New users receive free credits, and additional credits are refreshed regularly, making it easy to test the platform without purchasing a subscription. So if you're just getting started, you can use the free version and explore its features. Let's take a look at some of its key features. Google Flow Music offers text-to-music generation, AI lyrics generation, audio upload supports, voice recording feature, image-to-music generation, dedicated instrument AI, music production AI, voice mode. One of the most impressive features is voice mode. Instead of typing prompts, you can simply speak and describe the kind of music you want. It's almost like talking directly to a music producer. Currently, this feature is not available in Suno AI, which gives Google Flow Music a unique advantage. Let's generate an English song first. Create a new session and open the Compose section. Paste your lyrics and click Generate. After a short wait, the song will be ready.
And when the world is moving fast, you're the one that makes it last. Forever in your eyes I find my home, no matter where this.
When listening to the final result, the first thing I noticed was the audio clarity. As a music producer, I can confidently say that Google Flow Music delivers a very clean and polished sound. The instruments are clearly separated, and the vocals sit nicely in the mix. Now let's compare it with Suno AI. To be clear, Suno AI is still one of the best AI music generators available today. However, one issue I occasionally notice in Suno is that some elements can feel slightly crowded in the mix. Different instruments sometimes blend together more than they should. With Google Flow Music, the overall mix sounds cleaner. The separation between piano, drums, bass, strings, vocals feels more refined and professional. This creates a more polished listening experience. Next, let's generate a Hindi song. Using the same process, we paste the lyrics and click generate.
तेरी बातों में एक नशा सा है, दिल को तेरे पास ले आता है, हर सुबह तेरा नाम लेके जगूं, हर शाम तेरा.
The results are impressive. The vocal quality sounds natural, the pronunciation is fairly accurate, and the overall arrangement feels professional. Again, each instrument remains distinct and easy to hear. That's usually a sign of good mixing and mastering. Now comes the real challenge. Many AI tools perform well in English. Some can also handle Hindi quite effectively. But Bengali often reveals the true strengths and weaknesses of an AI music generator. We generated a Bengali song using custom lyrics.
তোমার চোখে হারিয়ে যাই নীল আকাশের মতো তোমার হাসি ছুঁয়ে গেলে মন হয় অবিরত নরম হাওয়ায় ভেসে আসে তোমার মিষ্টি ডাক তুমি এলে রঙিন হয়ে যায় আমার প্রতিটা সকাল তোমার নামের আলো জ্বলে আমার হৃদয় জুড়ে তুমি আছো বলে.
After listening carefully, I noticed that the overall sound quality remains excellent. However, there are still some pronunciation mistakes in certain Bengali words. That said, this isn't unique to Google Flow Music. Even Suno AI sometimes struggles with Bengali pronunciation, so while it's not perfect, it's understandable at this stage of development. Based on my experience, here are the biggest advantages of Google Flow Music: crystal clear audio quality, better instrument separation, cleaner overall mixing, voice prompt feature, image to music generation, free credits for beginners, user-friendly interface, fast music generation. Of course, no platform is perfect. The biggest concern right now is commercial licensing. At the time of making this video, Google has not clearly stated whether songs created with Google Flow Music can be commercially monetized. This is important if you want to upload songs to YouTube, distribute music on Spotify, earn revenue from AI-generated songs. Unlike Google Flow Music, Suno AI clearly explains its commercial rights policy. With certain paid plans, Suno allows commercial usage of newly generated songs. For professional creators, this is a significant advantage. If your goal is simply to create music for fun, experimentation, or personal projects, Google Flow Music is an excellent choice. If you care most about audio clarity, mixing quality, instrument separation, then Google Flow Music has genuinely impressed me. However, if your main goal is YouTube monetization, Spotify distribution, commercial music publishing, then Suno AI is currently the safer option because its commercial usage policy is much clearer. Overall, Google Flow Music is a very strong new competitor in the AI music generation space. Despite being relatively new, its sound quality is surprisingly impressive. The clean mixing, clear vocals, and advanced features make it a platform worth watching closely. However, there is still room for improvement, especially in Bengali pronunciation. Commercial licensing transparency. As Google continues to develop the platform, we can expect even better results in the future. If you'd like, I can also create a separate tutorial showing how to generate music from images using Google Flow Music. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment below and tell me, do you prefer Google Flow Music or Suno AI? Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel for more AI tools, technology tutorials, and online earning content. I'm Syed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.